I have listened in other areas of Kenya, especially Kasipul and the others, where we have had violence and even maiming of citizens. But in Bereno, the campaigns have been quite peaceful. But it's a shock when we see sort of fear monger coming from government and police being brought here, like there is an Al-Shabaab war that is almost coming here. Areas we have had a very peaceful campaign. So it begs the question, who is scared of this? First is to confirm that the people of Bereno are very peaceful. I have been here campaigning for Newton Ndwiga, aka Karish, Mwana wa Mumbere, and I can confirm that there is peace and people are actually excited to participate in elections. But I want to give confidence to the people of Bereno to show up in large numbers. Sure, we know there are people who have been brought, Mungiki, and of course all sorts of people have been all over. In Manyata constituency, not in Bereno. The hotels in Manyata are full of people we don't know. And we have seen the likes of Ishumwa, who are well-known people with connections to Mungiki, trying to control this election. But I want to confirm that we are going to have a peaceful election, whether the government likes it or not. The election is going to be peaceful. We are going to make sure that people of Mbeere North get a chance to choose their own without any interference, either from plainclothes police that apparently are needed here for no apparent reason, or any goons, either sponsored by the state or sponsored by politicians. But just to answer my friend Cecily Mbarire, because she has always been a rumor monger, what we have seen from her is a desperate attempt coming out as a desperation, like she has a gun on her head, that if this election go the other way, is going to be chaotic for her. But we want to confirm that we are going to keep peace. On behalf of the people that have been there in Mbeere North, we are going to have peaceful election. And if there is anything that is coming as violence, it's not going to come from the United Opposition. But I have an assurance of people of Mbeere that any person